If you're thinking about buying from FINEX Cast Iron Cookware Co., there are a few things you need to know first, especially if you're comparing it to other brands like Lodge or Le Creuset. Stick with me, and I'll break it down. The first thing to understand about FINEX is its unique design. Unlike most cast iron cookware, which tends to have rough, unfinished surfaces, FINEX offers smooth, polished cooking surfaces straight from the factory. This is a big deal because it allows for better seasoning and even heat distribution. If you've used Lodge or other traditional brands, you know the struggle of seasoning and uneven heat spots. FINEX's attention to the finish sets it apart and makes cooking much smoother. Next, let's talk about the weight. Cast iron is known for its heft, but FINEX cookware is designed to be a bit lighter than its competitors without compromising on durability. Their patented multi-ring design also makes their cookware more ergonomic, which means you're getting a heavy-duty piece without the usual strain on your wrists. If you've used some of the bigger, older pans from other brands, you'll appreciate this added convenience when lifting or flipping food. The third thing to know is the build quality. FINEX uses high-quality, American-made cast iron that's durable and built to last a lifetime. The company also focuses on precision pouring and hand finishing, which means you're not getting mass-produced, cookie-cutter pieces. Each piece of FINEX cookware is a little different, with slight variations that add character and charm, unlike the mass-market options that often feel a bit factory-made. Next thing, let's dive into the seasoning process. FINEX recommends seasoning their cookware with oil before the first use, which creates a naturally non-stick surface that improves over time. Compared to other brands like Lodge, which require a bit more seasoning work and upkeep, FINEX provides a faster path to a slick, easy-to-clean surface. You'll also notice that FINEX pans develop a beautiful dark patina with each use, which just adds to the aesthetic appeal of their products. Now the fifth thing, versatility. One of the standout features of FINEX cookware is its ability to handle all cooking surfaces. Whether you're cooking on a stovetop, in an oven, or even over a campfire, FINEX is up for the job. This versatility is something you don't always get with other brands. While Le Creuset and Staub are fantastic in the oven, they aren't always ideal for stovetop use. With FINEX, you get the best of both worlds. The sixth point is about the lid design. Most cast iron lids are heavy and awkward, but FINEX has designed its lids with a more manageable weight and ergonomic handles. This makes it easier to lift and handle, and it fits well with the cookware itself, ensuring that heat stays in and moisture stays locked in. This level of detail in lid design is often overlooked by competitors, but it's something you'll immediately notice when you use it. Finally, let's talk price. FINEX is positioned as a premium brand, so expect to pay a bit more than the basic Lodge pans. But what you're getting is a more refined product that's built to last, with superior craftsmanship and features that make it stand out from the competition. In terms of value, it's definitely on the higher end, but for those who value longevity and ease of use, it's worth the extra investment. If you're considering trying out FINEX Cast Iron Cookware Co., now's the time. I've used their products, and the overall experience is hard to beat. If you want to give it a shot, you can click the first link in the description for the best offer available and even try it completely free. Don't miss out on the exclusive benefits that come with that. If you want to experience top-tier cookware, you know where to go.